Oh my God, are you serious?
That's it.
Hello, mate. You want to be my friend? Yes, I do want to be your friend.
Today on Taste Test, we have a very special guest, the Topless Baker. But we'll just call you Matt today because he's wearing clothes.
We are going to be trying British versus American candy blindfolded. Very sexy. And we're going to see if we can tell the difference between the two.
Elise, have you ever had British candy before?
I've had Cadbury chocolates before. What about you?
I love candy so much. I don't think that I've ever tried anything from England specifically.
I think I'm gonna kill this.
Yeah?
I love candy. What about you?
See, before off camera, I was saying I'm going to nail this.
All right, let's do this.
I'm ready.
But before we begin, don't forget to click that little button. It's going to be somewhere like there.
Okay, chocolate.
Milk chocolate, for sure.
It's very sweet. Like, American chocolate is very sweet.
This one's super creamy on the right.
I did the one on the left.
You want to swap bowl? Oh, did you swap?
Yes,
Okay,
swapped.
here we go.
Okay, I'm gonna say the one on the left is British. Because I do think that they do their milk chocolate very well.
Okay, that's definitely British, 100%.
See, I was gonna guess the opposite. I think
gosh.
this tiny little one is British, and this one on the right I think is American.
I think we agree.
Oh, we just don't know our sides, correct?
We just don't know our sides. So we're saying this one on my side, right, is
It's British. Correct.
And this is Hershey's.
And that's Hershey's, 100%.
This has got to be Hershey's.
All right, can you switch to the back?
Okay.
All right, open your eyes.
No! What?
Yes, we got it.
Yes. Oh,
Okay.
see? Was
Cadbury.
I don't know. I kind of like the consistency of Hershey's. I felt like America did that around better.
Yeah, so I think I would reach for a Hershey's bar actually.
Yeah, look at us, being American.
Oh, it's in a
Ooh,
Whopper?
this is a. See, we don't call it a Whopper. we call
Malters
it-
or something?
No. We call it a Malteser.
Oh,
Malcolm
Malta
Maltball.
Maltball. This one was huge. Okay.
No, that's the English one. All right, where's yours?
I have a guess here. Yeah.
That's definitely American.
Oh, I think this one's American.
The one on your side is American, and the one on my side is the British one.
Now you're making me question myself. I'm questioning my nationality here.
I think the one on your side is American.
Okay.
Because it's like a little bit smaller. I feel like they're just trying to be a little bit more refined and, well, no, that is not very good.
That's not the American way.
You're right.
Yeah, I think I have the American. I think I have the Whopper.
That's bigger. Yeah, that Whopper's bigger.
Okay.
Yes. I know my Maltesers.
Things are bigger in America.
Yes. All right.
2 out of 2.
2 for 2.
So there's adverts where they blow them and kind of. Okay, let me try.
Oh my God, are you serious?
That's it. Oh, cool. You got to try now. You got to try.
Oh my God.
Ready? Oh no.
Oh wow, okay.
Okay, these feel like blocks.
Square.
Oh, that's a Starburst.
Sweetie.
I think the one already that I just tried is not a Starburst.
I don't think that's an English one. But
Whatever
I'm
you're
used
eating is definitely English because this is definitely American.
Yeah, I'm still chewing it.
The consistency of this one, I just feel like is a little bit more like gummy or like more like a
100%.
caramely type.
Yours tastes more like taffy.
Let me.
Oh, switch.
I'm really relying on you here.
The one on my side has much more concentrated flavor.
I don't think they're so similar.
They're so different.
What?
Yeah. I'm gonna make you guess first.
I'm gonna stick with my guns here. I think the one on your side is a Starburst.
I think this is a Starburst.
I think this one is British, the one I just had. I think because it's smaller and it's a little bit sweeter.
I'm gonna go ahead and disagree.
Really?
This is definitely British, and whatever you have is American.
Ah, we were right. I knew it. These were more milky.
Yes.
Oh, I thought I had it right. These aren't even coloured.
Okay, I can tell you already. It feels like either a Skittle or an M&M.
M&M, yeah.
Okay, so one of these is a Smartie, that's for sure.
Again, one of them
Okay.
is an M&M, but I really can't tell.
Okay, this is American, 100%.
I agree.
That is some fake American chocolate.
I was gonna
right
say
there.
this is some weird British stuff over here.
Oh yeah, this is M&M because
Totally.
the shell melts in your mouth.
Well, I think we agree on
Right,
this
so we
one.
swap back.
Nailed it again.
We are pros at American candy because we've eaten so much of it.
Yeah.
Yes.
English, tiny. American, huge.
Oh.
This, I haven't eaten it yet.
Can you
feels
tell
like
what
a
it is?
salty snack.
Oh, absolutely not.
Is it
It's a
not?
Sour
oh.
Patch Kid.
Oh.
Oh,
Okay, gummies.
I'm gonna like this so much. This is a Sour Patch Kid.
The one on your side? Oh, see, I picked up mine and thought it was a Sour Patch
Oh, my-
Kid.
That is delicious.
Oh, that is just Phil.
Okay, switch.
That is really sour.
Mildly sour.
I think that is American because it's so sour.
The one that you're eating right now?
Yeah.
The one on
your
my
side-
side is a little anemic.
Yeah, it's a little smaller.
Again, because the American candies have been brighter and bigger and bolder.
I think what I have in front of me is an American Sour Patch Kid, but they are pretty much exactly the same.
I will say though, the taste on this candy in particular is the closest in similarity.
Yes!
What is wrong with me? You are a pro.
I'm a pro.
Oh, they're the same Sour Patch. These are just the British version. I mean, they look the same, but they just are smaller.
They're smaller.
So again, we're always bigger.
Always bigger, but you have little, the Americans have faces. So you've
Yeah.
gone the extra mile.
The British one is topless.
That was tough. I'm disappointed in myself to say the least.
I'm disappointed in him
As a
also.
topless baker, I would have liked to have won every single round.
I'm a little disappointed that we didn't get the Hershey's.
I know,
Correctly.
look at us. I've been doing those s'mores forever, and
I know.
I couldn't know what my Hershey's was.
Yeah.
What was your favorite British one, then? If we could convert you,
We had
the dairy milk chocolate.
okay.
That was good. I'm sorry.
The
but-
British version is better.
Yeah,
I do
yeah,
have to say.
better than Hershey's.
I did prefer the British candy a lot of the time because it was a little bit less sweet, seemed a little bit more natural in flavor and in size.
I like the American candy, but I was so happy to try the British. But it's super similar. Like I could live there and eat candy all day and be fine.
But what I would love to challenge anybody watching is do the Whopper below. Send us your videos because that would be interesting to watch.
If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and tell us in the comments what you want us to taste next time.